In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift a game on Steam Desktop. If you want to send a game to a friend through the Steam Desktop app, the process is pretty simple once you know where to look. The main thing to remember is that gifting happens through the Steam Store and your shopping cart, not from your game library. Start by opening the Steam Desktop app and going to the Store tab. From there, search for the game you want to gift and open its store page. Once you've confirmed it's the correct title, click Add to Cart. This places the game in your cart so you can choose how you want to purchase it. Next, head to your cart to review the order. Under the game's title, you'll see a drop-down menu that usually says, "For my account by default." Click that menu and change it to, "This is a gift." That tells Steam you're buying the game for someone else, instead of adding it to your own account. After that, click Continue to Gift Options. A pop-up will appear with your friends list, and you can choose the person you want to send the game to. Keep in mind that the friend needs to already be on your Steam friends list, and they also need to be using the same store region for the gift to go through properly. Once you've selected your friend, you'll have the option to add a personal message. This is a nice touch if you want to make the gift feel more special. You can also choose whether to send the game right away or schedule it to be delivered on a specific date, which is useful for birthdays, holidays, or other occasions. Steam lets you schedule a gift up to a year in advance. When everything looks right, click Continue to Payment, enter your billing information, and then click Purchase to complete the gift. After that, Steam will send the game to your friend based on the delivery option you selected.